Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Bolt.new. Just follow these steps so you can link your custom domain and publish your app online. First, go to Bolt.new and open the app you created. Make sure your app is already published. Click the Settings, Gear, Icon, then go to Server Functions. Next, click Domains and Hosting. Select connected domain you own, enter your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. Then click Verify. Bolt will now show you the DNS records you need to add, such as alias or CNAME. Keep this window open because you'll need to copy those values. Now open a new tab and sign into your Namecheap account. Click Sign In at the top of the page. On the left sidebar, click Domain List, then find your domain and click Manage. Scroll down to the Name Servers section. From the drop-down, select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. Then click the checkmark icon to save your changes. Once your DNS settings are updated, go back to Bolt.new and click Verify. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to fully update. Most connections take a few hours, but in some cases it may take up to 24 to 48 hours before the domain becomes fully active. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect your Namecheap domain to Bolt.new anytime.